Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel, and I officially have an obsession with the Beyond/Impossible Burger. Okay, let me explain. Now, if you've been following me on Instagram or anywhere, then you know that I've been literally eating the Impossible Burger basically every single day for the past 2 weeks. Now, is that healthy? I don't know, probably not, but I'm absolutely obsessed. For those of you who know, the Impossible/Beyond Burger, and the reason I'm calling them the same is they are basically a meat ground beef substitute. They kind of fit under that. They are not a veggie burger. They are not real ground beef. They are a meat substitute. It is actually insane. Now, you're probably watching this like, Eitan, what is that? That sounds weird. Let me explain. It is actually insane. This right here, does that not look like real ground beef? Yes, it does. If you don't think it is, you're lying to yourself. It tastes like a burger, cooks like a burger, looks like a burger before it's cooked, looks like a burger after it's cooked, has the mouthfeel of a burger. It is literally a burger. In case you're not convinced yet that I'm absolutely obsessed, I have my own line of food socks, and one of them that I'm currently wearing is the Impossible Burger sock, available right now at shopeitan.com. Little merch plug, link in the bio, not bio, description box. I mean, aren't they fire? All right, so let's now head to the store. I'll show you guys the different things that are available from the companies, and then we're gonna make it. Let's go. Alright, so I'm now at a local supermarket, and check this out. Right here in the meat section, as you can see, there's chicken over here, there's beef over here, and then right in the middle, right next to the real ground beef, there is the Beyond beef. And now look at that. How similar do those look? It's a little bit darker, as you can see, than regular ground beef, but it literally looks like ground beef. The two ways they come right over here, this is a 16-ounce packet, which makes about 4 patties. Then over here, it comes also pre-formed patties, so they're each 4 ounces, so it's in total 8 ounces, and basically they're the same exact price, just 2 of these will cost you 1 of these because it's the same amount of meat. Now, this store usually does carry Impossible Burgers, but Impossible Burgers actually just did a deal with Burger King, and there are no more Impossible Burgers on the consumer market until like September. So right now all we got are the Beyond Burgers, but they are just as delicious in my opinion. I definitely, once they come out, we'll do a side-by-side comparison so we could finally find out which one is better. Okay, I'm back home. The first thing we gotta do is make the wild mushroom and onion toppings. We have some cut up shiitake mushrooms over here. We have 1 clove of garlic and half a sliced onion. I'm gonna fry these in a pan with a little bit of olive oil, and we'll let those cook low and slow until they get nice and caramelized. All right, let's add our mushrooms, our garlic, and our onions straight into here. We're gonna let them cook low and slow. All right, so our onions and mushrooms have been cooking away. Add in a little bit of salt, pepper, a touch of oregano, and a touch of red chili flakes for some extra flavor. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to make the super quick roasted garlic aioli. Check this out. Chopped up some garlic over here. Well, it's not really roasted, it's more like fried because I have a little olive oil here. We're gonna fry them up, then add them into some mayo and do all that, and then it's burger time. Alright guys, so I know the production quality is not the best because I'm doing the super rush, but alright, next step for the garlic aioli, I have this super cool like blender that literally is battery powered. So we have some mayo in there. I don't really have measurements, just kind of some mayo. Add in the garlic that we just fried up into here. Let's add in a little touch of some lemon juice. Just a touch, there we go. Let's add in some salt, some freshly ground pepper. Let's put the top on and blend. Okay, it's kind of slow, not that exciting, but give it a minute. All right, it is now the moment you've all been waiting for. It is time for me to show you guys the Beyond Burger. Okay, I know it's flipped probably, but I don't know, who cares, all right? Now, let's just cut into it. And let me show you guys the inside and how incredible it is even before you cook it. Okay, there you go. This is what it looks like inside. You take it out and it looks like a normal pack of ground beef. Like, look at that. It literally looks like ground beef. Like, I mean, who wants to look at like raw ground beef? I know, but it literally looks like ground beef. It is actually incredible. Then all you gotta do is you put it into about 4 patties just like this. Then take it with your hands, obviously the hands are clean, and just form it into patties just like you would do with any regular burger. And now look at that. It has marbling, there's fat in there. It literally looks like a real burger. It is actually insane. So let's just form it into some patties. All right, there we go. We have our 4 patties. Now let's bring it over to the stovetop to cook. Okay, so I'm here by the stovetop, and now in my opinion, the best way to cook an Impossible Burger is in a large non-stick frying pan. Is the best way. Do not even try putting it on the grill. I honestly do not think that would work. Then all you gotta do is add in some oil to the bottom. Obviously there's some fat in there, but you definitely want some oil also for it to fry in. All right, so our oil is now hot. I'm actually gonna cook them one at a time just so I can make sure I can really show you guys the perfect way. So we got our patty right over here, place it right in the center. And you hear that sizzle, immediately it starts to cook like a burger. Check this out. As you can see, it literally looks like a burger as it is cooking. It cooks like a burger, looks like a burger, tastes like a burger. It is actually insane. So just like when we treated it before like regular ground beef, the entire cooking process, you treat it like real ground beef. All right, I believe the first side is now done. It's in about 2-3 minutes. Let's give it a flip. Bam, look at that. You get that nice crust on there. Right when you flip it, take your cheese of choice. In this case, I'm using some Munster cheese because that's what I like. I'm gonna place it right on top. Immediately place a lid on top to let the steam build up so that the bottom of it will get nice and crispy and the top of it will get nice and steamy and melt all the cheese. All right, now in the same pan that you fried up the garlic, heat it up, leave the oil in there, put a nice bun in there, and get the bottom of the bun nice and toasty because it is almost eating time. All right, been a few minutes. Let's now check on our buns. Oh, look at that. They are nice and toasty. That is absolutely perfect. All right, let's check on our burger. Oh, look at how incredible that looks. It's all nice, cheesy, melty deliciousness. Over here, let's go to our burger bun and take this garlic aioli that we made, a nice amount, spoon that and spread it all over the bottom, and then you know what, just to be a little crazy, also on the top, because why not? Let's take our burger, place it right on top of that bun. Oh my God, this looks incredible. Then spoon over our sauteed onions and mushrooms. Oh my God, this looks incredible. Check that out. All right, let's give that a try. Literally tastes like a burger. I have made it eating these so many times, and every single time I eat it, it blows my mind. It literally tastes like a burger. Like, you probably don't believe me. Chances are you're skeptical, which I understand, because you've probably been plagued by all those terrible veggie burgers. Let's be clear, this is not a veggie burger. This is a Impossible/Beyond burger. It is a whole other level. It has the same juiciness, flavor, texture. I know when you eat burgers, it might not be that appealing. You know, there's like that kind of like burger, ground beef feeling in your mouth. This has it. It is actually insane. It has the juiciness, the flavor, the sear on both sides. It is the closest thing right now that you can get to a real burger. And to be honest, can I say something very controversial? I basically always rather eat an Impossible Burger than a real burger. Yeah, I said it. Okay, I know you might think I'm crazy, but hear me out. Like, with a regular burger, you get that like kind of gross burger grease feeling after you eat this. This still has that nice greasiness when you're actually eating it, but you do not get that gross like after burger eating feel. Comment below if you can relate. Also, since it's not made of meat, I can put cheese on it. Literally the possibilities are endless. I cannot wait to experiment more with this. Comment down below if there are any things you think I should make with it, because you could also crumble it, put it in chilies, literally anything. Like, it's like there's basically an infinite amount of things you could do with it. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna wait to film the outro till I finish eating this burger because it's that good. All right, there you go. That is how easy it is to make your own Impossible/Beyond cheeseburger at home. As you can see, it is super easy. Cooks like a normal burger, tastes like a normal burger. It is insanity. I will link below some more information about where you can get them, different companies. Obviously, this video is not sponsored. I'm just absolutely obsessed with them. Comment down below if you ever tried making this. Have you tried it? Do you like it? Do you not? I want to hear that all down below. If you don't like it, I mean, can we be friends? I'm not sure. Click that like button if you enjoyed watching and hit that big red subscribe button to be the first to know when I post new videos. We are now 16,000 subscribers strong. Let's see how fast we can get to 20. All right, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.